Okay, we're doing a little point of view video in the straight piped Ranger. I don't know if you guys can see the exhaust sticking out the fender. It is loud and obnoxious. I think we'll crack that window for you guys. We got a little snow on the road. So I am gonna turbo this thing. That's why the exhaust is sticking out the fender there. I don't enjoy this exhaust sound. Well, I lied. I do like it. Ooh, speed bumps. Oh, the snow stayed here. Oh, those people. You like it? No comment. Oh, this Ranger is gonna smack some snowbanks this winter. Better make sure I can stop here. This thing doesn't have anti-lock brakes, eh? Oh, maybe it does. Give this guy a little pull here. Oh, I'm sorry, old man. Let's do an emergency brake. Whoa, really? Kicks out sideways. Okay, good to know. Some good technology in 2001 by Ford. It's supposed to be a limited slip diff, but I still one wheel peel in the snow there. That was weird. Give him a little rev. Why would it catch? That's so annoying. She liked it. Oh, this lady wants the smoke. Should I scare the shit out of her? I can't do it. I'm not a bad person. That was like 15% throttle. I was gonna full throttle it, but I can't do it. Ooh, a little E30. Cool. Oh, and the corner's not even snowy? No welded diff. Come on. Okay, I think it's time we open this puppy up on the highway here. How do you expect a Ford Ranger to go 30? These things are built for speed and performance. Oh, that was risky. Those frickin' Hyundais, man, they'll get you. That's what school zones are for. Crackling! Oh.